Alright gang, y'all see I got the hoses loose. I did notice on this one here, I'm gonna have to cut it back. You see his nick right there, so it probably was gonna wind up busting on me. I got the bottom radiator hose tied up right there. He held up, none of it leak out the top. So now I'm about to take these here 3 10mm bolts out, and the water pump ought to come off of there. We're gonna remove this here pulley. We feel a little loose, and we're gonna remove our thermostat and its housing, and we're gonna swap this thing out. All right gang, y'all see we got it broke down, got the thermostat and its housing up off of there. We got the water pump broke down, got the pulley off of there, so I'm gonna bring it to AutoZone, go ahead on swap it out. Y'all see, and we looking down now. I'm gonna have to clean him up, get some new water pump gaskets, and get that sucker in place. And we're pretty close to getting this thing back on the road. I'm gonna change this bottle out as well. I'm gonna put me one that look a little better up under there. Just freshen everything up while we doing it. You know, I had just did the intake gasket, new plugs, new wires. So she ought to be a little champ once I get her back on that road. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, gang, we got our new one right here. Came with our gaskets, water pump gasket and water pump O-ring. I meant to say thermostat. So that's it right there, Jim. We're gonna head back to the house and get this thing installed. Catch y'all back on when we get that, baby. Yes, sir. And as y'all can see, I had to go grab me a new water pump. The other one had started dripping on me. I already took it off and drained it out. So what I gotta do now, I gotta clean up those old spots where the gasket was. I'm gonna use my favorite little grinding tool. Actually, I bought another one from Harbor Freight. He had broke on me, so I just had to buy the warranty plan, which was I think $3.99. So I got a new one. I put my oil up in it, and we about to get that surface cleaned up, prepped up. New pump came with the gaskets. I'm gonna also be cleaning up these here 2 pulleys right here. The pulley and the water pump house. It came with that rubber for our thermostat. So y'all tune in, comment, like, share, subscribe if you can. Y'all stay tuned. You know we coming back with plenty more. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That one else, they got a good bit of gasket material on there, so we'll try to get them off with this here chisel. See, I got a big piece right there. All right, gang, as y'all can see, I got my block cleaned up for the water pump. Probably go ahead and wipe it down. All right, now I'm gonna continue cleaning this here pulley and that water pump housing. Change that over. All right, got our housing right here, and we also have a gasket in between here that we need to remove. Y'all can see the gasket right there. You gotta take him out of the O-ring. We dried up. We gonna clean this here up, blow them off. We gonna get it reinstalled.
Can you help me with my popsicle, my lighter?
Y'all see I got everything. Okay. We'll come back, clean it off, and assemble everything. Get our new O-ring. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead on and prep the back side of our water pump. I'm gonna apply me some of this here gasket maker on there. Alright, gang. Next, I'll take that same sealer and I'm gonna apply it to my block. Painting.
Now, why you brought that out here?
Oh yeah, I need 2 more. But I don't have any more color paper. Huh? I don't have any more color paper. I can use 2 white paper. And then I can color the background. Because I don't have any more color paper right here.
I was looking at this here hose, they got some activity, so I'm just cutting back. Alright, gang, y'all see, I do got something missing right there. But I found the piece that go right there. I think this it right here. I'm gonna tie the frame to the fender, so let's see how that look. Okay, he fall in line good. Fell in line good. We're gonna get them locked down too, baby. Y'all see how it go around here.